The Fiji Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Services Center today received medical donations from EqualMed worth more than 1 million Fijian dollars.
The donated medical items that were shipped to Fiji from the United States will be handed to the healthcare centers in Wainubukasi, Nosori, Mokani and Diabetes Fiji.
These medical items rendered to the Ministry of Health and Medical Services to meet medical needs are expected to boost the service provided to ordinary Fijians.
Today we receive, as been alluded to, more than $1 million Fijian worth of gloves, beddings, blood pressure units, CPR masks, and also mechanisms by which they can be able to intubate patients that are needed to, and the medical supplies will also be distributed to other health care facilities around the country.
EqualMed, founded by US-based medical student Nivita Sharma, has been working with the Ministry of Health, providing significant assistance for the past 10 years.
This year, we are donating 1,000 laryngoscopes used for intubating, hundreds of CPR kits, thousands of oxygen nasal cannulae, thousands of face masks, including N95s and KN95s, thousands of gloves, 10 hospital beds for emergency use, an infant oxygen hood, thermometers, and more.
With our partners such as EqualMed, we've not only supported healthcare facilities, but also other areas. When we were going through the COVID Safe Return to School program, there were schools that reached out to us and they needed, for example, a bed for the isolation unit. We were able to give it to them because we had support from our partners. EqualMed has also supported Diabetes Fiji and our partnership with Diabetes Fiji and the Ministry of Health. And to Ms. Sharma and Mr. Shelvin and your team, I'd like to continue to thank you again for being consistently supporting Ministry of Health in Fiji.
These essential medical equipments will meet the growing need in medical centers and help healthcare providers around the country.
There are some items to meet the needs of healthcare facilities in Wainubukasi, Nosori, Mokani and Diabetes Fiji. We are also dedicating some items for FPBS and the Honourable Minister to determine where best to deploy these, as we are aware that currently not only COVID-19 but leptospirosis among other diseases are on a high.
It is one thing to actually support Ministry of Health or support Fiji, but it takes a lot more courage and bravery to be able to support Fiji and the Ministry of Health on an ongoing basis and sustainably. So I'd like to thank you, and you've done it for now in total 10 years. I'd like to thank you and Ms. Sharma, your families, and also I would like to thank your supporters, because I know there's a lot of partners that actually support you to be able to do the work that you do.
EqualMed had also provided a similar donation, estimated to be worth 1 million Fijian dollars in September of last year. Jasatu Sinu, Fiji One News.